this video, we'll preview the Process Improvement section of the Wellbeing Index. This section is available only to organizations on the Champion Plan and allows them to ask for anonymous feedback to help improve their wellness programs. This section contains a number of important areas. You can see and edit any questions you have created, as well as the responses to those questions. You can click the green Add New Question button to create new questions. Clicking the Preview button at the top right of the screen allows you to preview these questions as a participant. Participants will automatically see these questions as they progress through the assessment. You can also access an email template if you'd like to solicit feedback directly. The process improvement questions allow you to receive valuable feedback from your participants.